Meet cousins Mia and Alex at wedding #1. A tiny whisper starts it all. Did you hear? Uncle Bob's new business is just selling socks online. It seems harmless, like a small deposit in the gossip bank. Wedding #2, socks, now it's a pyramid scheme. Wedding #3, pyramid, he's smuggling exotic birds. Each meetup adds interest, tiny errors compounding into wild tailies. Kindness is forgotten, drama multiplies. Wedding #4, boom, bird smuggler alert. But wait, it's just socks with parrot patterns. Small gossips, they avalanche into family legend. Remember, tiny habits compound. Choose kindness over chaos. Follow us for more comical and hilarious videos.